Yeah, as soon as they see it. Come up to some stream, fog everywhere, can't see nothing. Okay, so far we're moaning and groaning. Came from somewhere there, you can't see nothing. We are above the fog at the moment. Keep going up. Keep going up. We got to a very steep bit now. Still nothing see around us. Look at this. Absolutely amazing stepping stones. Taking you right up to the top. Samantha is sprinting up, leaving the old man behind. Getting tired as well. Heavy rain has started, spoiling everything up. Samantha scrambling up. This is bad. We're getting proper drenched, but we're not far from first summit. Hopefully we can get that before turning. Now, so close. Never stops pouring. The weather is absolutely merciless to us. I have no idea what it is, and I'm not able to look at my gadgets with a bottle like this. Oh, look at this wet lemon. Let's go. At this point, we're not going to carry on with the circuit. We're heading straight back down. This is ridiculous. Weather has no mercy for us today. Didn't show any views or anything. Absolutely drenched. We're heading home. Back to the car. Still no signs of any views, unfortunately. The conditions are super bad. Here comes Samantha. Scrambling down.
Do the people want to see something cool?
What?
You may think my trousers are dry,
Yeah.
but then when you lift it up,
Yeah. New design.
new design.
Careful. Weather went from being good to absolutely ridiculous. Both absolutely drained. Still a bit to go. Couple of miles maybe. Whew. The car keeps going all the way from there. Can't see it. Absolutely amazing weather. You know? Why? Oh, you need to open your eyes. And let's go. Just about to focus. How much of a better time to be out here? Sorry, I have a profit with me today. What? Profit.
Profit.
So there we are at the end of our hike. Let me just show you guys what we have found as we're going to the top of this hill. So we have an empty knick-knack pack, drinking bottle, another drinking bottle, another drinking bottle, and an empty pack of some tissues. I don't know. Unfortunately, all these been left by hikers on the trails. Please guys, all this, it weighs about not even 100 grams. It doesn't take any space. Please take it home with you. Thank you. At least the rain has stopped. All the fog and everything.
Oh. Too much fog.
So here we are, folks, back from our short hike. Unfortunately, the weather has turned bad on us and we had to turn back. Very nice trail to do, with a lot of moaning and groaning. We did get on the top, came back wet as lemons, got changed and now ready to go home. Yes, unfortunately no views, but
just fog.
Just
fog.
just a nice walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll come back here tomorrow and do it again. I'm joking.